Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something for spring because I am participating in the $10 Thrift Flip Spring 2021 hosted by A Blessed Home. The link to the channel of the hostess is going to be in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos entered in this challenge. So please visit the channel of the hostess and watch all the videos, so you will help us grow. The thing I thrifted is this cutting board. I bought it last year, so at Goodwill, so I don't remember how much I paid, but I think it was $2, maybe $2.50, but I don't think so. I think it was $2. This was the original color. I stained it using liquid shoe polish, which is really easy. I started here doing it here for you to see. It's really easy. Liquid shoe polish is amazing when you need to stain wood, and really inexpensive. Of course, I had to give it 2 coats to get this dark dome, and it has some marks because I used this for another project and now I'm repurposing it. What I'm going to add is this leaf. This leaf was gold in color. I spray painted it white, and I added chalk ink to distress it and give it more the tone of a leaf. And we found, my daughter and I found this in the dumpsters because we are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It will be linked in the description box also. We would be very happy if you visit it, and you will have a lot of fun seeing us rescuing things from the dumpsters. This leaf came with this base that I use for a piece of winter decor. It was separated. We found the leaf on one place of the dumpster and the base in another, and it was almost impossible to attach, but anyway it didn't fit my style, gold leaf standing on a piece of wood, because my house is decored in farmhouse style, so I used both pieces separated. So what I'm going to do is to glue this leaf to the cutting board. That's the first step. So I'm adding hot glue. I don't want to use E6000 because maybe someday I will want to again repurpose the cutting board, and this will be easier to remove. But as it is going to be hanging, I also don't want to add too little glue and then find the leaf on the floor broken. So here we go. Let's press a little bit. I hope it'll stay in place, otherwise I will have to use E6000. Well, let's see. Fingers crossed, as I always say. Okay, this is a very quick DIY. Next thing I'm going to add, we are talking about spring, so we have to add some flowers. We also found these flowers in the dumpster, so we found a lot of flowers. You should see our videos, watch our videos. So now they come in handy for this DIY. I'm going to add them here. Again, hot glue helping me. Let me get my finger protector. And again, a little bit of pressure. I'm going to add more hot glue here because I'm also adding some farmhouse detail, like this bow. If it doesn't have buffalo check, it's not a creation of mine. I love buffalo check, I use it all the time, so it couldn't be absent of this creation. And I think that's the perfect farmhouse style touch. I want to add, this is also from the dumpster. You can see that we find things with their tags. We never understand why they dispose of these things. So I'm going to add this little group of flowers here to cover the floral wire that I use to tie the bow. So here we go, and we are almost done. I promise you this was easy and quick. And I'm going to add this clip from Dollar Tree. It's a magnet, but I'm not using it as a magnet, even though it seems there's some metal here, because it gets stick to the in the center. You see, it moves, so there must be some metal in the middle of the leaf. So I'm going to add hot glue. I'm going to add it like here among the flowers. And the last item, sorry, I'm speaking in Spanish. Item in Spanish is item. I took a little bit of cardstock, and this is chalkboard paper, this one. I have it here. It's really inexpensive. I paid like $6 something for a huge roll. It comes with the chalks. I still have all this paper, and I have had this since December 2019, for you to have an idea, and I use it all the time. If you follow me, if you watch my videos, you see that and know that I use it all the time. And I hand wrote, I think that's the right word, this today's menu, take it or leave it, this line and the fork, which is not too perfect, but well. So I use a white marker. I just found these markers, Crafty Croc, and believe me, they are amazing. I had another favorite before, but now I love these ones. You can get them on Amazon, and I paid like $10 for a box of 5 different sizes of the point, and it's amazing. It's the best I have ever had, so I recommend it. I'm not affiliated with the manufacturer. And so now I'm going to add this sign to the leaf, and that's everything I'm going to do with this cutting board. I love it. I think it's great for spring, and I'm anxious to do more things for spring. I can't believe it's so close already. So I'm finishing now. Well, here you have it. We were supposed to spend less than $10, and I spent about $3-4. Hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to visit the hostess channel. Thank you to her for hosting this challenge, and watch the videos in the playlist. Hope to see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.